This is why you lose power and control on your backhand. Watch the player on the left. His racket is not connected to the torso, and you can see it's pointed parallel to the baseline. Instead of going back at a 45-degree angle the way Giron does, his racket is taken back flat. The racket does go back, but there is no real loading of the swing. Watch the pro. The shoulder and racket move together as a unit, and there is real loading of the swing. That early coil sets the whole swing, footwork, and balance. Now let's watch the shoulder turn for both players. The player on the left shoulder is not turned, while Marcos Giron on the right has turned his shoulder. Let the torso turn first. Swing starts with the shoulders. Let the racket go back with the torso to load the swing optimally, and step with your feet and uncoil the swing so that you can compress through the hit with maximum control and power. Compare your backhand to the pros inside the Full Court Tennis app and fullcourttennis.com.